I hope you all are fine by the grace of God. Today, we shall discuss a very interesting topic from your social science textbook. Before moving to the topic, tell me one thing. What is the name of the planet where we live? I hope you know the answer. It is the Earth. Its shape is round. But have you ever thought whether the Earth has any movement or whether it is static? I guess you might have doubt. To clear your doubt, today we shall discuss a very interesting topic called the motions of the Earth. So let's get started. The Earth has two motions. One that is rotation and the other that is revolution. You can clearly see that in this picture. Now look at this picture carefully. You might have seen that there is a line that is crossing the North Pole and the South Pole. This is not a real line, but this is an imaginary line that is crossing the two poles. This makes 66.5 degree angle and is called the axis of the Earth. When the Earth moves on its own axis, that is called the rotation of the Earth. This rotation takes 24 hours to complete one round, and this one round of the Earth's rotation is called the Earth Day. Rotation has a very significant impact on Earth, as because of this, day and night occur. You have seen that a part of the Earth is facing the Sun constantly. If there would have been no rotation of the Earth, then the part that is facing the Sun would have always been in day and it would have always been warm there. And the other part that is not facing the Sun would have always been in dark and it would always have been cold there. Due to this rotation of the Earth, a balance of heat and a balance of light are made in the mood of day and night, and thus the life becomes possible on this Earth. Now, look at this video. You might have seen that the Earth is moving around the Sun. This movement around the Sun is not in the round shape but in an elliptical order. To move around the Sun, the Earth takes almost 365 and half day. This movement of the Earth around the Sun in an elliptical order is called the revolution of the Earth. With this concept of revolution of the Earth, there is another concept related to it that is called leap year. I have already told you that the Earth takes almost 365 and a half days to complete one revolution around the Sun. But for the convenient, we take 365 days as a 1 year and we ignore that extra half, that is 6 hours. But it is added in every 4th year, which makes the February 29th days instead of 28. This 4th year, where the February has 29 days instead of 28 days, is called leap year. Now the question is, how can you calculate whether the year is leap year or not? For that, you have to take 1 year and you have to divide it by 4. If it is completely divisible by 4, without any remainder or without any point, then that year can be called as leap year. How does this revolution impact on Earth? You might have seen there are 4 seasons shown in the picture. So due to this revolution, the Earth changes its seasons. We divide it into spring, summer, autumn, winter, and the months that are included you can rightly identify in the picture. Now let us quickly recap what you have learned today. So you have learned that the earth has 2 motions, that is rotation and revolution. Rotation is earth's movement on its own axis. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Due to rotation, day and night occur and life becomes possible on the earth. Revolution is Earth's movement around the Sun, and it takes 365.5 days to complete one revolution around the Sun. Dear students, I hope you have well understood about this concept called motions of the Earth. In our next class and in our next video, we will discuss another very important topic related to Earth. Till then, take care. Thank you.